Muscle cars that still rule the drag strip. Straight roads become dangerous once machines like these arrive at the starting line. These muscle cars weren't built for quiet cruising or perfect fuel economy. They were engineered to launch hard, shake the ground with V8 power, and dominate quarter-mile racing with pure aggression. Every one of them treats the drag strip like home territory. 10. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. The drag strip turns violent the second this machine launches. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 wasn't built to politely compete with other muscle cars. It was engineered to destroy quarter-mile times with so much force that the front wheels literally lift off the ground during hard launches. From the outside, it still carries that familiar wide-body Challenger shape, but everything underneath is focused on maximum straight-line brutality. And launch-focused tuning turned the car into something closer to a factory-built drag weapon than a normal road car. Power comes from a 6.2-litre supercharged Hemi V8, producing up to 1,025 horsepower and approximately 945 pound-feet of torque on E85 fuel. It can explode from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 1.66 seconds, reach a top speed near 215 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,280 pounds. But the numbers only tell part of the story. The real experience is the launch itself. The rear tires fight desperately for grip, the supercharger screams instantly, and the entire car feels like it's trying to escape the pavement underneath it. There's almost nothing refined about the way it delivers speed. Every acceleration run feels loud, aggressive, and borderline uncontrollable. At full throttle, this thing stops feeling like transportation altogether and starts feeling more like mechanical violence pointed straight down the drag strip. 9. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Tire smoke usually disappears after a burnout, but the reputation of this machine never really did. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon arrived with one purpose: dominating the drag strip harder than almost anything wearing a license plate. Before the Demon 170 pushed things even further, this car already shocked the automotive world with launch performance that felt unreal for a factory muscle car. Unlike track-focused performance machines obsessed with cornering balance, the Demon concentrated nearly everything on straight-line acceleration. Wider drag radials, lightweight components, trans-brake functionality, and launch assist systems transformed the car into a street-legal quarter-mile specialist. 6.2-litre supercharged Hemi V8, producing up to 840 horsepower and approximately 770 pound-feet of torque on race fuel. It could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.3 seconds, reach a top speed near 168 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 4,280 pounds. The sensation off the line felt brutal. The rear suspension squatted hard, the supercharger whined instantly, and traction became a constant battle between power and pavement. Driving it normally almost felt pointless. Once launch control activated, everything happened violently fast, like the entire vehicle had been engineered around a single moment of controlled chaos. 8. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Supercharger noise hits differently when the car behind it carries this much aggression. The Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 takes the traditional Mustang formula and pushes it into an entirely different level of drag strip performance. Everything about the car feels tense and overpowered, like the chassis is constantly trying to contain more force than it comfortably should. Its wide stance, massive front grille, and aggressive aerodynamics immediately make it look faster and more dangerous than ordinary muscle cars. Even idling at a stoplight, the GT500 feels impatient. Underneath the hood sits a 5.2-litre supercharged Predator V8, producing around 760 horsepower and approximately 625 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds, reach a top speed near 180 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,170 pounds. But what separates the GT500 from older muscle cars is how violently it gains speed while still staying controllable. The dual-clutch transmission fires through gears instantly, keeping the acceleration continuous and relentless. The car doesn't launch with the same wild unpredictability as a Demon, but once rolling, it feels brutally efficient. Speed builds so quickly that the surroundings almost start blurring together. The deeper you press the throttle, the angrier the entire machine seems to become. Launch control feels completely different once over 1,000 horsepower enters the conversation. 7. Chevrolet Camaro ZL11LE. Grip starts disappearing very quickly once this machine leaves the starting line. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL11LE may be famous for track performance, but its supercharged power still makes it terrifyingly quick in a straight line. Unlike older muscle cars that rely mostly on raw force, this car combines massive horsepower with sharper chassis control and aggressive aerodynamics. Visually, it looks purpose-built for speed. The giant rear wing, aggressive splitter, and low stance make the car feel more like a race machine than a traditional street-driven Camaro. Everything about it appears tight, focused, and angry. A 6.2-litre supercharged LT 4V8 delivers around 650 horsepower and approximately 650 pound-feet of torque. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.4 seconds, reach a top speed near 190 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,880 pounds. What makes the ZL11LE different on the drag strip is the way it stays composed while accelerating hard. Power delivery feels brutal, but the chassis still communicates clearly instead of turning chaotic. The exhaust note also adds to the experience, deep, sharp, and aggressive enough to sound intimidating. This thing doesn't just attack the drag strip with horsepower, it attacks with confidence. If this shocked you, hit like, because the next machine delivers chaos in an even rawer way. 6. Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Red Eye. 4 doors were never supposed to move this violently down a drag strip. The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Red Eye takes the chaos of a supercharged muscle car and hides it inside the body of a full-size sedan. That combination alone makes the car feel absurd, huge, heavy, practical, yet unbelievably fast the moment the throttle opens. Unlike lightweight sports cars that build speed smoothly, the Red Eye delivers power like a sudden explosion. The rear tires struggle instantly, the supercharger screams through acceleration, and the entire car lunges forward with surprising aggression for something this large. Under the hood sits a 6.2-litre supercharged Hemi V8, producing around 797 horsepower and approximately 707 pound-feet of torque. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 203 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,600 pounds. What makes it even crazier is how effortless the speed feels. The cabin still offers sedan practicality, while the engine behaves like it belongs in a dedicated drag car. At lower speeds, it almost tricks drivers into forgetting how much power is available. Then one hard throttle input changes the entire mood instantly. The Red Eye feels less like a normal muscle sedan, and more like a street-legal burnout machine pretending to be practical. 5. Ford Mustang Cobra Jet. Quarter-mile racing becomes a completely different game once factory-built drag monsters like this appear. The Ford Mustang Cobra Jet wasn't designed around daily driving comfort or balanced road handling. This machine exists almost entirely for one thing: destroying drag strip times as brutally and consistently as possible. Lightweight drag wheels, massive rear slicks, specialized suspension tuning, and aggressive weight distribution make it feel closer to a professional race car than a street Mustang. At the center of the chaos sits a 5.2-litre supercharged V8, producing well over 1,000 horsepower with approximately 800+ pound-feet of torque, depending on setup. Reach speeds beyond 150 miles per hour and weighs roughly 3,400 pounds. The front end rises hard, the rear tires wrinkle under pressure, and the car rockets forward with almost no hesitation once traction locks in. Unlike many road-focused muscle cars that still compromise for comfort, the Cobra Jet feels completely obsessed with drag racing performance. Noise, vibration, and mechanical intensity become part of the experience instead of something engineers tried to remove. Watching it leave the starting line feels less like seeing a car accelerate. Tire smoke starts becoming part of the atmosphere around cars like this. 4. Chevrolet Copo Camaro. Street legality stops mattering once a muscle car is built this aggressively for the drag strip. The Chevrolet Copo Camaro exists for one purpose only: straight-line domination. Unlike ordinary Camaros designed to balance comfort, handling, and daily usability, the Copo removes almost everything unnecessary in pursuit of quarter-mile performance. Lightweight construction, drag-specific suspension tuning, wheelie bars, and racing slicks transform the car into a machine that feels far closer to professional drag racers than normal production muscle cars. One brutal version uses a 5.7-litre supercharged V8, producing well over 1,000 horsepower and approximately 900+ pound-feet of torque, reach speeds beyond 150 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,200 pounds. The way it accelerates feels almost unnatural. The front wheels lift violently during launches, the rear tires dig deep into the pavement. There's nothing subtle about the Copo experience. The cabin feels stripped down, the exhaust note sounds explosive, and the entire car behaves like it belongs at a starting line, waiting for the lights to drop. Once it launches, the sound alone is enough to make nearby cars feel slow before the race even ends. 3. Dodge Viper ACR. The Dodge Viper ACR never cared about refinement, comfort, or making drivers feel safe. It was engineered to deliver raw, unforgiving performance with almost no electronic interference standing between the driver and the car. Its enormous hood, side exit exhausts, and extreme aerodynamic package made the Viper look dangerous even before the engine started. Massive wings, aggressive vents, and wide tires existed for one reason: keeping this monster under control at terrifying speeds. Power came from a gigantic 8.4-litre, naturally aspirated V10, producing around 645 horsepower and approximately 600 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds, reach a top speed near 177 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,400 pounds. Unlike supercharged drag monsters that overwhelm roads with boost, the Viper delivered power in a brutal mechanical wave that constantly demanded driver attention. Every throttle input felt serious, and small mistakes could become very expensive very quickly. The car also carried an almost old-school racing personality. No dual-clutch gearbox, no overly protective electronics, no attempt to soften the experience for casual drivers, and more like wrestling something that genuinely wanted to bite back. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because the next machine removes comfort completely for straight-line speed. 2. Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Modern muscle starts feeling far more dangerous once old-school V8 power meets newer performance engineering. The Ford Mustang Dark Horse carries the same aggressive Mustang attitude people expect, but everything about it feels tighter, sharper, and more serious than an ordinary GT. It looks less like a casual street car and more like something built specifically for drivers who want performance without compromise. The widened stance, darkened styling details, aggressive front fascia, and deep exhaust tone give the car a personality that feels constantly ready for action. Even cruising slowly, it never really feels calm. Under the hood sits a 5.0-litre, naturally aspirated Coyote Viave 8, producing around 500 horsepower and approximately 418 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.7 seconds, reach a top speed near 166 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,950 pounds. What makes the Dark Horse interesting is how balanced the aggression feels. Unlike older muscle cars that became chaotic under heavy throttle, this Mustang stays planted and controlled while still delivering that unmistakable V8 violence during acceleration. The exhaust note also changes character constantly, deep and relaxed at lower speeds, then suddenly loud and furious once the RPM climbs. It feels like the kind of machine that wants every empty road to become a starting line. Supercharger scream alone is enough to make nearby cars nervous. 1. Chevrolet Camaro SS. Burnouts stopped feeling like accidents once cars like the Camaro SS started owning the streets. The Chevrolet Camaro SS represents the classic formula that made American muscle cars legendary, and enough torque to turn every straight road into a temptation. Compared to ultra-specialized drag monsters, the Camaro SS feels more street-oriented, but that's exactly what gives it personality. It isn't trying to behave like a full race car. It wants to feel raw, exciting, and aggressive every time the driver touches the throttle. Power comes from a 6.2-litre naturally aspirated V8, producing around 455 horsepower and approximately 455 pound-feet of torque. It can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds, reach a top speed near 165 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,700 pounds. The naturally aspirated engine also gives the car a different attitude compared to supercharged muscle machines. Throttle response feels immediate, the exhaust stays deep and mechanical, and acceleration builds with a smoother but still violent surge of power. There's always a sense that the rear tires are only barely cooperating. That tension becomes part of the fun. Every hard launch leaves behind the same message. American muscle still loves making noise, smoke, and chaos in a perfectly straight line. Tire smoke, supercharger whine, and brutal launches never really go out of style. Whether old school or modern, these machines proved American muscle still knows how to turn straight-line racing into complete chaos. Tell me which one you'd race first. Hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content like this.